Everything that learns forgets, and everything that can forget learns again. Hi, and this is my project Mirror Mind. 6 interconnected components, each one alive. The drawing canvas. It learns your art style. The mirror chat. It adopts your vocabulary. It not only evolves, it mutates, it learns, and the
It is
quiz
ever evolving.
adjusts on its own difficulty. Every interaction feeds back into the system. Watch the stability meter. Every click makes it learn and unlearn. Here's where it gets interesting. I'm drawing right now and then it learns the art. This is the rebirth. After triggering the stability, it acts chaotic and this changes the reflection. A component just imploded and another one gone. This is the AI actions, the color mutation, behavior trigger, glitch waves, the change in the theme after the rebirth is all part of this. And this is the mirror analysis. Wanting to know more about how this works, we have an information button over here which explains how this works, keeping stability in mind. And oh, let's look at this. This is the focus and attention mirror. We can start our focus session by clicking here and then follow the cursor here. Was triggered again, and now we have the rebirth number 2. It generates into another kind of theme with a lot of complications in the positions, a lot of random events, and this is the restart button. It starts from the position it first started, the initial screen. Now let's change the reflection of the mirror. Click it twice, and boom, the chaotic energy is sensed. These are the autonomous AI detection features taking place. Interact gently and watch the stability here rise. The lower the stability, and this gives rise to the rebirth. New layout, colors, gradients, theme. This is the memory pattern test. Testing the memory also feeds back into the system, the chaotic system. Mirror mind isn't just any system. It adapts to the consciousness. It collapses, but it isn't the end. It gives rise to a new theme, a new invention. It is the rebirth. The system never forgets. And sometimes, if it does, everything has changed. This is rebirth 1. And it will remember this moment even after I close it. Mirror mind is a system that doesn't survive instability, it requires it. Watch how all these have changed, giving rise to a new theme. This is the mirror analysis, which keeps track of the session time, interactions, mouse activity, behavior pattern. Right now it's saying cautious investigator. Look, after I start drawing, how it will change. Let's select color orange. I can also save my drawings from here. Trying to draw my thoughts. I can change the brush size. And now you can see it has updated to active participant. Since I have been participating with dominant behaviors as frequent clicking and extended sessions, this helps to analyze the system even further. Look at the stability dropping hard and the drawings becoming chaotic. They are vibrating. They are not straight anymore. Look at the, and this is again the rebirth. Mirror mind is a system that thrives on collapse. It listens to you, it forgets, it relearns new patterns and gives rise to the new layouts, which we call it the rebirth. Thank you.